In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new event on your Google Calendar. Step 1, all you have to do is just simply go to your Google web browser, and then you just have to tap this icon here beside images. Look for calendar that is beside Google Drive. Tap this one, and then this is what it looks like. Now to create an event or something, you just have to tap this plus icon here, create, and then tap event. And then once you tap this event, then you can now add title to your event. For example, in this event, you're about to attend a wedding. Okay, so you can, or you're feel free to change everything here and adjust everything here. Let's just say for the date, you can change here. Okay, so for the time that you're going to, or this reminder or this notification will appear, or you can hear this or see this notification, you can just simply do it every day, daily, every 24 hours, and so on. Okay, so for a test, let's just say I am the wedding singer. You can even write or type your song list here. Okay, so that's it. Now for appointments and schedule, you can just easily tap this one. Okay, and then once you tap this, it will take you directly to the site. So here, if you want to appoint something, like you wanted to set up a meeting for that upcoming event, so you can change the schedule, you can change everything here. Let's just say you wanted to meet the people this July 21st with this exact time. Okay, you can adjust everything here. And then how are we going to meet? Of course, we're going to use this Google Meet tool. And then we'll be talking about this upcoming event, who will be the organizer aside from me, who will be the other singers, okay? What will be the design or any plans after the wedding, something like that. So you can talk that plans or everything during your Google Meet. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is to create a new event on your Google Calendar. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.